Hey, Nigella. Tiger boy. Hey, pretty baby. Hey, tiger boy. Hey. Hey, sweetie. Hello. Hey. Hey, sweetheart. Hey. Hey, Nigella. Yes, I had to chase you around twice because you got back out when I let Major Tom in. Okay. Hey, tiger boy. Hey, Coco. You're not going to speak to me? Oh. Why? Why not? You don't love me anymore? Yeah, there's Major Tom coming out of the enclosed part of the enclosure. And there's Tiger Boy and JJ. And Coco looking at Bertie. Because all the other chickens have gone to bed except Bertie, because she thinks she's human. She gets to stay up late. Yes. Hey, Coco. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, sweetie. Hey. Yeah, you just let me pet you, but nothing else. You used to sleep in my lap. But now you're scared of me because if you get on my lap, Mommy slaps you. That's when she's being Nigellus instead of just Nigella. Yeah. Hey, tiger boy. Hello. Hey, pretty boy. Yes, he's a sweet boy. Hey. And there's Nigella down there. Yes. You can't be still for 2 seconds, can you, kitty? There's JJ. It's really hard to tell JJ and Tiger apart, except that JJ is slightly bigger. He has a thicker tail. And Tiger Boy has a long, thin tail. And he got stung on the ear earlier this year by a yellow jacket. So I can kind of tell by the light spot on his ear if I can't see his tail. Hey, Coco. Hello, Coco. Hey, girl. Hey, pretty girl. Hey. 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 Yes. That's a glove. That's what humans wear to keep their fingers from freezing because we don't have any fur. Yes. I know. I'm like, why don't we have fur? Why don't we have fur, Major Tom? Because we are bald and ugly compared to kitty cats, right? Hey, Tiger. Hey, Nigella. Hey, Coco. You want to tell everybody hello? Huh? Can you tell everybody hello? Uh-huh. You're too busy playing with your brother's tail. Yeah. Hey, Coco. Hey, pretty girl. Hey. Yeah. Hey, tiger boy. You're going to fall off trying to get his tail. Yes, you are. You're going to fall off trying to get his tail. You're funny.